Hi friends, Miss Danielle here. Today we're going to read Little Blue Truck, Springtime. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a woo-hoo, sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo, sheep, beep, beep, what's new? Oh, a little white lamb and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? Woo-hoo, duck and ducklings 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woohoo, goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Woohoo, cow, just munching corn. Woohoo, little calf just born. Mama Pig, who's in your pen? Woohoo, piglets, 1 to 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little piglets. Ears in clover? That looks funny. Hippity hop, woohoo, bunny. Ooh, look at all the bunnies. Bunny sister, bunny brothers, and another, and another. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap. Anybody home? Look who's inside this smooth, round dome. Crickety crack! Shout, everybody shout! Woohoo! Chick has come out. Woohoo, sun! Woohoo, sky! Woohoo, white clouds sailing by. Birds that sing, frogs that leap. Woohoo, spring! Beep, beep, beep.